What's going on, everyone? Tisha Allen here, golf media personality. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Fitbit Versa 4 smartwatch. Let's get into it. Inside, you'll find your Fitbit, infinity bands, and USB charger. The small band comes attached to the Fitbit. The large band comes in the box. Both bands use the same buckle end. Fun fact, the infinity band was created to help give more consistent HR readings. And here we have your USB charger. You can charge the device by plugging the charger into your computer or wall adapter. Go ahead and grab your Fitbit, turn it over and unbuckle your band. And from here, you can press on the latch attaching your band to your Fitbit. Gently wiggle the band out of its socket. From here, you could insert your new band. Be sure to recognize which side is top and which side is bottom. Insert your new band. Wait till you hear that click. Give the band a gentle tug to ensure it's fully attached. The buckle end should always go on the top of the Fitbit. Now the charger magnetically attaches to the Fitbit. Make sure you hear the click and the pins on the charger in the back of the Fitbit align. You can always swipe down on your clock face to see your battery percentage. The Versa 4 can go up to 6 days without needing to be charged, but this will vary depending on how you use your Fitbit. Features like GPS, always on display, and text and call notifications will cause the battery to drain a little faster. Your Fitbit will vibrate and notify you when your battery level is low. You can also set up mobile and/or email notifications when your battery is low. When you set up your Fitbit, you will automatically receive email notifications when the battery level reaches 25%. To pair, open the Fitbit mobile app and tap on your profile icon in the upper left corner. From here, you can hit Set up a device and choose your Fitbit on the next screen. Today, we'll be setting up our Fitbit Versa 4. Ensure your Fitbit is charged and on. Your Fitbit needs to be at least 50% charged, but it is best to leave your Fitbit charging throughout the pairing process. Your phone will begin searching for your Fitbit. If you have other Fitbits, ensure they are not near your phone while it is searching. Continue setting up your device by following the instructions on the Fitbit mobile app. Your Fitbit will automatically sync your data to the Fitbit app throughout the day. To manually sync, open the Fitbit app and pull down on the Today screen. Open the Fitbit mobile app, tap on your profile in the upper left corner, tap Versa 4, tap your gallery, and from here, tap Clocks. From there, you can browse all clock faces available for your Fitbit. All you have to do is tap on the clock face you want, and then click Install. Check out my new clock face. Open the Fitbit mobile app and tap on your hourly activity tile. Next, tap on the gear icon in the upper right corner. And from here, you can turn on reminders to move and customize the time window and days in which you'll receive notifications. Open up the Fitbit mobile app, and from your Today page, you can tap on your profile icon in the upper left corner. Scroll down and tap Notifications. And here, you can turn on your step goal milestones and exercise goal milestones. Go ahead and open the Fitbit mobile app, tap on your profile icon in the upper left corner, tap Versa 4, scroll down and tap Notifications. And here, you can enable notifications for phone calls, text messages, calendar events, and all of your favorite apps. Your Fitbit will buzz and alert you when you've entered a new heart rate zone during a workout. The 3 heart rate zones are fat burn, cardio, and peak. Here's how to navigate your device. You can swipe left or right to see your apps one by one and get info at a glance. This includes apps like today's activity stats and exercise. You can also access your apps by pressing the side button to see all your apps in a list view. Some of my favorite apps are the Sleep app as well as the Food Logging app. You can also swipe down to see your Fitbit settings like Do Not Disturb, brightness, and volume. You can swipe up to see your notifications tray, and then return to your clock face by pressing the button on the side of your Fitbit. Thank you all for unboxing your Fitbit Versa 4 with me. I'm Tish, and that's all I have for you for now. See you next time, Fitbit fam.